Hey guys, it's Sad Goblin here, and just a channel update really fast. Everyone has been asking me to post the sneezing challenge, so I will post a sneezing challenge video with Pepper once I hit 1,000 subscribers. But we're at about 630 right now, so just, tell your friends, tell the sneezing community to come subscribe to my channel so that I can post the sneezing challenge video. I really appreciate all the support and all the comments. I know I don't respond to them, but that's because I'm going to be making a video, like a little informational video about me and about like how my channel got started and like my allergies and like what makes me sneeze and just the questions you guys have in the comments. I will answer them. If you have any additional questions, just put them down in the comments and I might answer them. My dogs are barking. Sorry. But, so, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm also not gonna just like limit my channel just to sneezing. I'm gonna do that primarily, obviously, but I might post like a vlog or two or just like a video of me talking randomly. And I know that they might not get a lot of views, but like I don't want to limit myself completely. But it'll be primarily sneezing, obviously. I'm not gonna just leave you guys hanging. I know you guys like the videos, so I'll keep posting them, and thank you guys for subscribing. But if you have any questions, put them in the comments, and tell people to subscribe, and once we hit 1,000, you'll get your sneezing challenge video. Thanks again. See ya.